Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures. The gingerbread river rises fast beneath the candy cane bridge in Vocabland. The bridge starts to feel shaky, and a cake truck is stuck halfway across. Timo, the word scout, arrives just as the candy canes begin to bend. A helpful word becomes important in this moment: fortify. The bridge is not strong enough, and waiting will not help. A clear idea forms strength needs to be added. Strong sugar beams are placed along the bridge. The bridge feels firm, steady, and secure again. The truck rolls across safely without trouble. Timo remembers that fortify means building strength and safety, just like the bridge that carried him forward on his journey.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.